Hello and welcome to Zenvi Art of Therapy Academy. I will guide you in this video to create confidence, abundance and positivity. Please get comfortable and be at ease with yourself. Take a deep breath in and out. Breathe in and then out. Breathe in and out. Now, slowly close your eyes. Take another deep breath in and out. Breathe in and then out. Breathe in and out. Now I want you to focus on the sound. Feel the energy. Feel the positivity and feel nature. In the next few seconds, I'm going to state an affirmation. I want you to feel, believe and embrace the affirmation while taking a deep breath in and then breathe out. Repeat the process once you hear the next affirmation. Ready? I am wealthy. I attract whatever I desire. I am beautiful inside and out. Today, I will concentrate on taking one step forward, however small. I focus my power. I change my life. I live a charmed life. Beyond positive thinking is positive believing. My possibilities are endless. I am confident, outgoing, self-expressive. I radiate love and happiness. I will remain confident and unaffected by negative attitudes around me. Wealth is pouring into my life. I am responsible for my own attitude. I choose, affirm, believe, then totally relax, releasing all the results to the universe. Everything I touch turns to gold. I empower myself daily with positive words and phrases. I possess an endless supply of creativity, energy and tolerance for any project that I assume. The more I love, the more that love is returned to me. I am worthy of love. All of the money I could ever want is flowing to me now. Okay. I want you to slowly open your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. Breathe in and then out. Breathe in and out. Thank yourself for taking time to pause, relax, reflect and collect all the energies this universe provides and channel it into your body. Feel the energy. Feel the uptight body melt and your mind at ease. Have a great day ahead. Namaste.